Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about Liveblocks 3.0, an API platform that helps businesses build real-time collaboration tools and now even AI copilots. After testing, here's our experience. The pros. Liveblocks 3.0 makes it incredibly easy to integrate real-time features like multiplayer editing, syncing, and presence into apps. With the AI Copilot update, businesses can add AI driven collaboration features. Think autocomplete, content suggestions, and real time editing assistance. It's developer friendly, reliable, and saves a ton of time compared to building these systems from scratch. The cons. The platform is mainly useful if you're a developer or a business building apps. For casual users, it's not something you directly interact with. Pricing can also scale up quickly depending on how much you use it. And while AI copilots are promising, they're still evolving, so don't expect flawless results every time. So, is it good or a scam? It's definitely good, but only if you're the target audience. For developers and startups, Liveblocks is a game changer. For everyday users, it's not something you'll need. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam free.